This is for those that have router, either MTN 5G or Airtel 5G, and also those that have 4G router. If your battery, your original battery is no longer lasting very well, or you are not comfortable with it, well, I have a very good news for you today. You can actually use your normal power bank to power on your router. If this battery is no longer lasting, like you are not enjoying the original battery that comes with your router, 5G or 4G, you can actually use your normal power bank to power your 5G router. All you just need is the cable, this type C to router cable. That is what you need, and you can comfortably use your router with your normal power bank. Any power bank that has type C output, it can be itel, Raimo, Romos, any power bank that accepts type C outputs. This is my router here, and it's actually working very well. You can also use this cable to charge your router battery with normal power bank.